I wanted to further my knowledge as well as my experience in the field.
My aim was to actually see what are the practical uses of the subjects that we practice today. Go to colleges, these are the ones that our parents tell us, if you get good marks, you're going to get into NUS, you're going to get into NTU.
We were taught about immunology. We were also taught about forensic science as well as DNA replication.
There's the small things that you learn and you apply them in your real life.